Human blood is a viscous fluid due to what? Is it platelets in plasma, proteins in blood, red and white blood cells, or sodium in serum? Correct answer is proteins in blood. Blood viscosity mainly depends on plasma proteins, especially albumin and fibrinogen. Ifosfamide belongs to which group of anti-cancer drugs? Options are alkylating agents, antimetabolites, mitotic inhibitors, or topoisomerase inhibitors. The correct answer is alkylating agents. Ifosfamide is a nitrogen mustard derivative, and it works by damaging DNA. Nitrosoureas used in the treatment of cancer are: here the options: carmustine, 5-fluorouracil, methotrexate, or cisplatin. Carmustine is a nitrosourea. Nitrosoureas are alkylating agents that can cross the blood-brain barrier. An antidote of cyanide poisoning is atropine, sodium thiosulfate, dimercaprol, or naloxone. Correct answer is sodium thiosulfate. Cyanide blocks cellular respiration, and sodium thiosulfate helps convert cyanide into thiocyanate, which is non-toxic. How much volume of raw spirit can an excise officer withdraw as sample? Option A. 1 sample of 200 milliliters. B. 2 samples of 150 milliliters each. C. 3 samples of same batch, each not more than 100 milliliters. D. 1 sample of 500 milliliters. The correct answer is option C. 3 samples of same batch, each not more than 100 meters. Minimum manufacturing space for Hub Unani Medicine, as per Schedule of D and C Act. Options are 50 square feet, 75 square feet, 100 square feet, 150 square feet. The correct answer is option C, 100 square feet. Manufacturing specification for tooling has been standardized by. Options are USFDA, United States Food and Drug Administration, CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission, WHO, World Health Organization. The correct answer is Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission. Which of the following alkaloids are found as salts of meconic acid? Options are Rauwolfia alkaloid, tropane alkaloid, agot alkaloid, opium alkaloid. The correct answer is opium alkaloid. According to the ICH guidelines for stability studies, climatic zone to temperature and relative humidity are respectively. Options are A. 25 degrees Celsius and 60% RH. B. 30 degrees Celsius and 65% RH. C. 40 degrees Celsius and 75% RH. D. 25 degrees Celsius and 75% RH. The correct answer is option A. 25 degrees Celsius and 60% RH. Glycogenic amino acids enter TCA cycle except. Options are A. Alanine, B. Glycine, C. Glutamate, D. Aspartate. The correct answer is option B. Glycine.